Hi guys, Callum at Spotless Detailing Perth. What we do a wee Monday walk around and what's happening in the shop. So, over here, but I'm going to switch the lights off because you can see it better. We've got a lovely new +6 Morgan. This has come into us from the dealership due to the paint condition. The condition being it has a lot of texture on it, i.e. orange peel. So if you cast your eye over here, you can see kind of the marbling effect on the bodywork. So what we're going to do is we're going to flatten that down with an array of machine sandpapers, hand sanding, then we're going to polish it all back to get the smoothness and have a perfect, even leveling finish on that Morgan. It's going to be in here for probably about a week because we're going to be on and off that project. If you come through to the main workshop, got a lovely Golf R that is in for our maintenance protection detail. This customer has been with us for a very long time. It has been, I think it was 5 years ago that we protected this car, originally with G-Technique, so it comes in once a year, which is what we like to recommend for people doing the average of between 10 and 12,000 miles. Come in once a year for a maintenance. We would like to have it back just for checking the paint, checking over the car, making sure that there's no nasty damage that somebody's not noticed or anything like that, making sure that the coating's working as it should. We give it a really good, thorough wash, decontamination with de-iron, de-tarring the process if it needs a little bit of clay here or there as well. We also like to polish up the gloss blacks on all the areas, i.e. the mirrors, pillars, D-pillars. We like to recoat the front windscreen and the rear glass, and then we like to top up the body with C2V3 on the paintwork, the wheels, and then we do a complementary interior and engine bay detail on that one as well. If you pan round, Marcus, we've got this lovely Ducati Super Lies, it's a Street Fighter V4S that has been brought into us from a customer, got 1,000 miles. It's already had PPF fitted by another company. Customer wasn't happy, wanted us to have a look at it. There was bits of dirt, things like that. Anyway, customer wasn't happy, so we've brought it in, we've stripped it, we're reapplying XPEL Ultimate Plus, which we can cut upstairs on our own plotter. We'll fit this up to Spotless Detailing standard, and then we'll give it back to the customer and he will be happy chappy and out on those lovely miles. James is working on this lovely new 911 992 Carrera T that has been in for our front end, side sills and new car preparation. This one is actually from Porsche Centre Perth, so we do all their work if somebody picks G-Technique or XPEL Ultimate Plus. So this has had the front end, lights, side sills, lower sill up to the handle height, rear wheel arch, all in XPEL Ultimate Plus to stop stone chips, road rash, all those normal day-to-day things that you do pick up that they're going to have a lovely time on the road. So they now know that is protected. We've then recoated everything with G-Tech CSL. That is a 5-year coating on the body, so that goes on top of the bare paint and on top of the PPF. Wheels are coated, glass is coated, interior's coated as well, so ready to go back to Porsche Centre Perth, hand over, another happy customer. Lovely R8 is in for our, so this had PPF on the front as well. Another customer wasn't happy, so we've removed it, ordered brand new badges. We've got a new front badge, V10 badge, and then rear badges. A wheel is a way to restore alloys. One of our really, really good close contacts that we can get wheels done for you as well. So this is going to get a full correction, remove any minor imperfections on the body and the carbon fibre. Then we're covering the entire vehicle, again, with XPEL Ultimate Plus for all that full peace of mind from the customer. Every single area is going to get covered in film. Then we're going to put our G-Technique CSL and EXO on top for brilliant water repellency, great for washing. Basically, nothing's going to stick to this. And also, it's going to be protected from stone chips. Wheels will get coated, glass will get coated, interior will get done as well before it leaves on Friday. All going well. We've also, this one's just a way to get started. We've got XPEL Ultimate Plus going on the front end. Again, stop stone chips, road rash, down the sides of the vehicle, lower carbon sills, mirrors, and rear bumper just for those back wheel splatters. Just prepping all the edges with panel wipe, ready before I plot the PPF, or I've plotted the PPF, wait to weed the PPF out, and then apply it onto the car. This one's then going to go moved over into the detailing bay, then it's going to get correction and ceramic coating, the same CSL and EXO. Wheels, glass, and interior and engine bay will be finished off, ready for Friday as well. So that is Monday, that is not the end. We've got Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday all to go. So keep in touch. If you're looking to have your car protected, have a look at our place. We've got another branch up in Elgin, which is the same setup, absolutely great bunch of lads up there. So if you're looking to have from the kind of central North Scotland, we're your guys. 10 years in the game for PPF, XPIL Ultimate Plus, and 13 years in the game for GTEC accredited details. Combined on all our guys that are working with us, I think it's around about between 30 and 33 years of experience all in. So we've got great knowledge. The team's really, really good. Pop in for a coffee at both branches and just talk to us. Let us help you with your protection. Cheers, bye.